We're gonna play a game. How many different ways can we find a deal? Because a lot of people come to you and go, Pace, I haven't done a deal yet. Yet they've deployed private capital into a deal. They've loaned money, which is Gator. You've done a Gator deal, and you go, I still haven't done a deal yet. Okay, so let's talk about all the different ways to do a deal. Let's talk about the obvious one. What's a good way to get a deal? Okay, you're gonna start with a more niche one. Okay, so a connection fee. Okay, Eric's done some connection fees. Eric's made some connection fees. So you connect two parties together, you make money. My meeting I had this morning was with a company that I think in 2 or 3 years will have a $10 billion valuation. And they were introduced to me by somebody inside of our community, Armand. Oh, wow. Okay, Armand finds this fintech company, financial tech company, and introduces us together. And Armand will get a sliver of the equity of that deal when we put it together. That's a connection fee. Like equity, you can get equity in people's deals, not just a connection fee for, hey, I'm gonna put a fix and flipper together and I've got a lender. This is what most people in our community think of, is they go, oh, that's a connection fee, right? I'm the person in the middle connecting these two people, and we get a lot of connectors are making $1,500 to $5,000 just for putting two people together. It's a connection fee, pretty simple. Okay, how about instead of a connection fee, you get connection equity? Okay, can you not do that where, let's say there's a person flipping a house, they need money, you come to them and go, hey, if you give me a portion of the back end of the deal, or you give me some equity in the deal, I'll introduce you to a Gator who has the money. Can you do that? Yes. Okay, I'll give you a good example. Aaron, who's in Owners Club, sends me a text message this morning. Pace, I need $9 million for 90 days. I have a deal that's happening. Do you have $9 million? I say, yes, I do. Do I? No, I always have. Whatever dollar amount you need, I got it. Email money@pacemorby.com and I'll help you out. I go, yes, I have $9 million. And I go, how are you gonna get paid? And he goes, well, I'm gonna get 2 points. What's 2 points on $9 million? It's $180,000. All he's gonna do is connect me with, this is a double dipper. Check this out. We haven't even gotten to a Subto deal yet, and you're sitting here talking about, I haven't done a deal yet. Okay, check this out. This is a double dip. Man, I could go on and on and on. Check this out. There's a developer. This is the person, let's just call them Dev, the developer. They're developing, they need $9 million. And they only need it actually for 90 days. He doesn't have access to me. Okay, so he runs into a gentleman named Aaron who's in the community, and Aaron is in Owners Club. So he goes, oh yeah, I can help you out, but I don't have the money. He's very honest. He goes, I don't have the money, but if I can connect you with the money, what would you pay me? He says, I'll pay you a 2% fee, 2 points. Okay, 2 points on 9 million is $180,000. So Aaron's gonna make $180,000. Pretty awesome, right? Then me, I've got a guy who has $15 million that I built a relationship with over a couple of years, and he will charge me 10% annual for this money, anything I need. Basically a line of credit through a human being, 10% interest, anything I need, 15 million bucks, okay? So what's 10% on the 9 million over 90 days? Let's do the math on this. Check this out, do the math. 221,000 for that money, for that time frame. Do you know how much money I will make?
2% of that, right?
No. I will make $1.1 million because I'm charging a flat fee of 18%, not a yearly fee. I'm charging a flat fee of 18%. Flat fee, 90 days, 18%. It's $1.4, $1.5 million. Okay, I don't even know the developer. I know him and I know him. He doesn't know, these two people don't know him, so I get paid. Your network is your net worth. Yes. This is what, when people are like, oh, your net worth is your net worth. It's like, dude, stop being so ambiguous. Just tell me what the hell that actually means. Here's what that means. Your network is your net worth. Okay, there's a double dipper. If I really wanted to, could I not go to this developer and go, hey, I'll even reduce the fee, but I want equity? Okay, so you're telling me I don't even have to have the money. I don't have to be the one developing. Okay, this is obviously what I teach in Gator, right? This kind of stuff. And when somebody says I haven't done a deal yet, usually what I ask them to be, I ask you to be honest when you say, I haven't done a deal. I go, please be honest. Let's use the appropriate words. The appropriate words of I haven't done a deal is actually supposed to be replaced with I haven't done any work consistently? Correct? That's the truth. So let's just go through, like, now we've turned this into a whole Gator video, but let's just say Gator 1.0, right? That's EMD. And I'll just go through 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 items. This would be Gator 2, Gator 3, Gator 4, Gator 5, Gator 6, Gator 7, Gator 8, Gator 9, and Gator 10. We have 10 Gator strategies. Outside of connecting, we have 10 Gator strategies. Okay, EMD is number 1, white labeling hard money is number 2, or doing hard money if you are a hard money lender is number 2. Gator 3.0 is private money, okay? Gator 4.0 is saving somebody from foreclosure. Gator 5.0 is helping people with business funding. You don't even have to have the business funding. I have $4 billion that I'll give to everybody in the Gator group. Like, here you go, white label it, go use the money and fund other people. Call a plumber, call an electrician, hey, do you need expansion money? There's so many different ways to make money, it's ridiculous. Okay, cool. So we're already at 13. No more Gator conversations. We have 13 things just for Gator, correct? Okay, 13 different ways to do a Gator deal. Let's throw that to the side. If you guys want to watch another video on what are all the Gator strategies, we'll give you a video somewhere on the screen, okay? What are some other ways to do deals?
Door knocking.
Okay, door knocking is not a deal. Door knocking is a mechanism of marketing. How do I make money from door knocking? Well, that would result in a fix and flip, buying a rental, a this, that, and the other, right? I could allow that, but here's what this is gonna turn into. It's gonna turn into 51 ways that I know how to get a deal. Outside of this, there's 51, at least that I've found. Okay, and that's like door knocking a foreclosure. Actually, there's probably hundreds if I really break it down. Door knocking a foreclosure, cold calling a foreclosure, texting a foreclosure, really emailing a foreclosure, emailing a foreclosure, right? You could just, on just foreclosures, I could get to 10, 20, right? So is there any, oh man, maybe this video could be 7 hours long.
Yeah, probably.
All right, so Gator, outside of Gator, what do we got? Let's go. How about buy a deal from a Subto member? This one is the one that really blows me away, is when somebody says, I haven't done a deal yet. I go, why don't you just buy a deal from a Subto student and be done? Like, good example, Elena Tang. You guys know Elena Tang? Okay, Elena Tang bought 24 Subto deals in her first 12 months of being in Subto. How many cold calls did she make?
None.
How many negotiations did she do? Follow-ups?
None.
Contracts?
None.
Money?
None. Oh, well, she had to get the money.
Well, she borrowed money from a Gator. And it gave them a deal. So
Didn't do anything but acquired all those funds.
she acquired 24 rentals in 12 months. So where did she get them from? Networking in our Subto Facebook group. We have so many high-level people that join Subto, not because they want to learn how to do Subto, but because they're like, I want to buy the deals from the community members. Okay, so what's another way I could do this? Could I not just go, how about direct to agent? Okay, direct to agent, I could do, let's say 10 different types of deals under direct to agent. What does that mean? That means in the No One Left Behind Challenge, we're calling agents. And what we do is we put all the Subto members together, we pair them up on teams. We currently have almost 200 teams with 13 people per average per team. So how many people is that? It's like 2,400 people in the community right now are running this challenge. What are they doing? We're sending out offers to agents and getting agents on the phone. No cold calling, it's all warm leads. Agents are all excited. You guys will see it today. Agents are like, send me the contract, send me the contract, send me the contract. Our team in 3 days got 12 contracts. The ways you can make money here are, yeah, you could buy a Subto deal, you could buy a seller finance deal, you could buy a cash deal. Here's how I would look at this. I would look at this as DTC. What does DTC mean? Direct to community. Direct to community. Could you right now, could you go get a fourplex, a land deal, an RV park, a mobile home park, a large multifamily deal, a single family property? Could you get a flip? Could you get a BRRRR deal? Anywhere in our community could you do that? Okay, you want to know a weird one? Here's a weird one. So direct to seller, that's another one. Direct to seller, direct to agent. Guys, if you want me to do a full detailed breakdown of like direct to community, direct to agent, direct to seller as individual videos and make a whole series on like where does a deal come from, happy to do that. Just make a comment down below. So direct to seller, this is, as for me, I found 51 different ways to get a deal direct to seller. That's me, and I've spent a lot of time researching this. There's 51 different ways to get a deal direct to seller. Direct to agent, there's a lot of marketing mechanisms, but when you get in front of an agent, there's about 10 different ways to make money with that agent. Okay, we got direct to community, 100 different ways to do deals here. Direct to agent, direct to seller. What's another one? How about JV deals? Could talk about that for 5 hours. How about, this one's like a cheat code that I don't know why people so underthink this one. You could join a team, but that's like, yes, but those teams are gonna be doing one of these things, right? You could participate. Could you not just invest in somebody else's fund and get a monthly check or a quarterly check? Anybody in Subto fund in here? Have you guys gotten a check?
Yeah.
Okay, so we don't call that a deal?
I didn't say it was.
I know, I'm talking to these two knuckleheads right here. Oh, okay, wow.
Yes,
It's a deal.
yeah.
Okay, they get checks. I get a check from that for like 30 grand a month because I'm the largest investor in it. Is that not considered a deal? Like you could just invest in go to invest@subtofund.com and invest with me. Come be a partner with me, please. Invest@subtofund.com. So you own 182 units with me. You own 182 units with me. Are you an investor?
No, I missed it.
Bro.
I am.
We own 2 businesses together. Okay, cool.
We own 2 businesses together.
182 units, 182 units, 182 units, 182 units.
2 businesses.
I got 182.
And 182.
Yes.
Perfect. So there you go. So you can participate in those deals. And this is where people are like, but I've been trying for 5 years to get a deal. I'm like, no, you've been lying for 5 years. You've been using the incorrect vocabulary. The correct vocabulary is, I have not done the work to do any of these things. It is, in 2025, it is almost impossible not to get a deal done.